Hey everyone, cool and dehumidification produces water, so let's learn how to drain it. So, when to drain? The air conditioner uses 3 drainage modes for different situations. The air conditioner is equipped with self-evaporation. In most cooling scenarios, no manual draining is needed. It's totally hassle-free. Or you can also use the manual drain. Then unplug the unit and locate the drain plug at the bottom back. Remove the plug, gently tilt the unit backward, and let the water flow into a container. After draining, you must reinstall and tighten the drain plug. Finally, continuous drain, highly recommended for high temperature and high humidity environments, dry mode or long-term cooling. It's simple. Power off, replace the drain plug with the dedicated drain hose. Keep it straight and sloping down into a drain or bucket. Want to keep your air conditioner running efficiently? Regular cleaning is a must. Before cleaning, always turn off and unplug the unit. Safety first. Just wipe the exterior with a soft, damp cloth. No chemicals or water splashing. The air filter is the air conditioner's mask. Requires regular cleaning. Gently pull it out. It's that easy. Rinse thoroughly with clean water, then air dry completely. Once completely dry, put it back and you're good to go. Remember, never run the unit without the filter. A few simple steps keep your air conditioner fresh. Contact us if you need help.